Issues after Apache Airflow migration from 1.9.0 to 1.10.1. I just upgraded my Airflow install from 1.9.0 to 1.10.1. I use Docker to install and run Airflow. So I just updated my Docker file with these lines. In slugify _uses _text _unid code yes. Run pip install Apache Airflow crypto, Celery, Postgres, Hive, JDBC == 1.10.1. And then run docker build, then docker compose with a new image. So far, so good. In the airflow.cfg, I add the line rollback = true. Because I want to create users with specific roles, and allow them to access only their DAGs. The Docker containers are running without errors. An error happens when I click on a DAG name in the UI, or when I try to launch a DAG. Thanks for any help.
Try Airflow upgraded. This will create missing columns in your metad. For folks facing the same issue while upgrading to Airflow greater than equals 2.0.0, try Airflow DB upgrade.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.